Hi everyone. Today I'll walk you through programming a used PCM module with an IMMO fault. The customer replaced a used PCM, and the car won't start because the immobilizer does not recognize the new module. We'll use Forscan to update the firmware, program the as-built data, and clear the IMMO fault. You're watching Real Car Coding Jobs. Let's get straight into it. First, connect Forscan and run a full scan. We can see the IMMO fault clearly. The PCM is not paired with the vehicle's PAT system. This confirms the issue. The used PCM carries data from a different vehicle. We need to reprogram it before the car will start. Before programming as-built data, we need to update the PCM firmware to match the current vehicle. In Forscan, go to the PCM module, select Firmware Update. This process takes approximately 3 minutes. Do not disconnect the device or turn off ignition during this step. A power supply is recommended to maintain stable battery voltage throughout the update. Wait for the firmware update to complete and confirm success before moving to the next step. Now we program the as-built data into the PCM. As-built data is the factory configuration unique to this specific vehicle, including VIN, PAT's security parameters, and module settings. In Forscan, navigate to PCM, select as-built programming. Enter the as-built data for this vehicle. Write the data to the PCM. This step overwrites the old vehicle data on the used PCM. The module will now recognize the current vehicle. Wait for write confirmation before proceeding. After completing the programming, we run a full scan again. All IMMO faults are now cleared. The PCM is successfully paired with the vehicle's PAT system. Now, the moment of truth, let's start the car. Engine starts without any issues. IMMO fault is gone. Vehicle is fully operational. That's how you program a used PCM with an IMMO fault using Forscan. If you have questions about this procedure, comment below or contact us via WhatsApp in the description. Like and subscribe for more diagnostic and programming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.